Gold against US dollar yesterday has created a bearish candle where we can see that the price tried to move higher on the higher price levels, and the price has reached the price levels that were mentioned in the yesterday analysis, where I have mentioned that the price could reach 2422 and also the 2425 price level. The price reached that, but after that the price returned all the way back down, created a bearish candle with a bearish body where the candle did not close below the support level 2390.94. Currently the day has started with a strong bearish momentum where the price has closed below this support level and is heading towards to 2356.22. Now as it looks right now, the price could reach the area here as the start of this demand zone around 2362.51, and after that we'll see what happens, because the day has just started. Everything can also turn around. The price could also reach and create this strong weak on the lower side and then return all the way back up, continue to rise in value, just in the case like yesterday where the price has created a large wick on the upper side and then continue to fall down. So anything can happen. So on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, we will see what happens and also where is the price is heading. Will it reach 2356.22 based on the candles formation? And that is something that I will share inside the Telegram group with the traders, so they are informed where the price is heading and also what are the next targets for the price. As currently what I can see, I see a bearish breakout forming here on the daily chart, on the daily time frame, but to be validated I need to see the candle closing after the day finished below this support level in order to say that this is a bearish breakout, and after that it needs to be validated with the second candle not returning all the way back up above 2390.94. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.